lucky. What happened? How long this a go on, Precious?
Mama, you know, it's not the first time. The other day when they sent me down on my chin shop to go buy the bread and come down there now, and me ignore them. And when we got pass the other night, they come down there again.
Precious, make you never tell me, make me go marry, hackle them. Look how the girl them do you. How much of them come, Precious?
And 5 of them, Mama, 5 of them.
5 of them? Them Precious make you never run. You fight and run away, live to fight another day, Precious. Jesus, save me, let me put on the call, honey.
We don't want that time, Mommy. We don't want that time.
Then think them get away with it. Then think them get away with it, no? So they see we one day, they must think them easy.
No,
Precious, they have to put the decal on it.
It can go burn me.
Me know what it can go burn you. Come.
No.
Precious, come and me put it. Let me put the decal on it. Stop going like say you're afraid a little decal, because you take out on that already. Hold on it. Alright, turn there with you till Maggie sketchy. No one know what really happened, you know. No one know how you go home.
Dear.
Come and warn you.
They go past school, Mama, me the daughter the gate. When we buy power and cheese for the woman. You don't feel when the girl just come up on me and grab me, sir. I call him, sir. Mama. I just stop boys and stop boys,
I saw you deal with it. I saw you hungry and Precious.
Yeah.
You hungry yourself well. God. That's good. You should have killed them.
I left the knife right over your side in her chest.
Knife, Precious? Knife? You know where you get knife from, Precious? Jesus Christ.
I wanted that knife to grab her from them.
So are you serious, Precious? Christ, the police are going to come lock you up now and you're going to sleep in a jailhouse.
The police then come. I should tell her it's an accident. I'm going to tell her it's an accident too, and then say it's all right.
Oh, God. You're lucky. You're lucky. Because a woman prison, they're not easy, you know. They have one woman over them big sort also. Hey. Anyway, all you can do now is go beg the principal to take you back. Beg him to take you back to the school. You say you go fight, so you better go beg them. Turn off his siren. The emergency gone long time. And the principal if you go talk to now.
I can't go down the back.
What make?
Because me a B-R-E-E-D.
What you say what? Precious. Me say you must go on back down there go talk to them.
Mama, me can't go down there.
What make you can't go back?
Because me P-R-E-G-N-N-T.
Listen to me no man. Talk to me straight, you know. Talk to me straight. Because this is a spelling bee contest. What you really say look a while?
I'm pregnant.
I joke you, I make man. I lie, I tell. I must see that your head there lick you. You know what? Go check yourself in a Bellevue, because I'm mad, you're mad.
No, Mama.
You going dash away, you know. You're not telling her you're going dash away. You hear me say you better go boil the dragon and drink it. You're not turning her with it. Oh.
Mama, please.
You're not turning her with it.
Mama, me have a little money can rent somewhere, but me go and need your help.
Need who for help? Need who for help? Since when you need my help, Precious? From the other day, you're going like I say, me are the picnic and you are the mama. So when since you need my help, you're going to come out here. You're not turning here. Oh.
Mama, never got to take me sexy then, Mama. Please, may I ask you, please?
Don't beg me, Precious. Don't beg. It don't suit you.
Mama, me have to take me sexy then, please.
What you want from me, little girl? What you really want from me, Precious? Look how me talk to you, look how me beg you, look how me show you. Oh, you're going to take exam when they expel you out of school.
I can't apply to the women's center, Mama.
When
Never
you
take me in.
You seem to have it all work out, so get on with it. Jesus Christ, look how me want this little girl, God.
Please, Mama.
Go beg me, Precious. Go beg you stinking pooper. See? What make you have to do that, Precious? Look how me show you. Look how you see me butter and stuff and you don't want better for yourself, little girl. Why you do it?
Mama, but you know sometimes when it's sweet, yo.
I bet you kill you, little girl. Jesus, what is wrong with you? You're a worthless wretch, you. Hey, Mr. Coxman.
Precious. You alright, Precious? Me say get cut.
See there? At 12 stitches we get.
Precious, me beat up one of them girl there, Precious. I see when the next one come from under operation, I go shoot it, yeah? Remember that, Precious.
Oh, you tell me say your nail left.
So I'm gonna stop talk to them, Precious, but you them come check me for a little money every now and then. Them a walk around and tell the whole place, say me and them there, me and them in a things, but I don't make them know say you're my #1 girl in the Precious. Don't make them know that.
So what happened to the one where I breed for you?
Which girl can't tell us that she breed for me, Precious?
No, the big lip one.
Oh, Stacy, accident that, man. I look at one thing going and she walk around and tell the whole place, a broadcast it say she breed for me. So she well want breed?
Oh, so I saw me well one breed too, sorry.
You talk about Precious, you mind. Please, excuse me that second, please.
Don't go away here, Mama.
Me Mama don't go nowhere. Precious, I nearly killed one of my girl a while ago to come up here so to come show you say I love you and you want your mother stay and watch that.
I have to kill nobody for me. I have to kill nobody for me. But I want you to just go on where you go. After you make me get expelled from school, I'm going to have one.
Precious, you get expelled from school? Precious, you know how long I want them expel you from school so I can
So what happened to my exams, eh? What happened to my exams?
Precious, you don't need no exam, Precious. When you need an exam? You don't need that there.
I don't want your money.
Where you going to live, Precious? Huh? Hey, Precious, man, you keep man with me now, because if I ever find out say you keep man with me, you're dead, you know, Precious.
You don't have to worry about that, you know. You don't have to worry about that, because I don't want you. You can't go on where you go.
Mister, excuse me a second.
Don't go away here, Mama.
Hey, let me. Hey, don't come crap me. You know, say I to leave the gun where you go so Precious. I bet you put down the gun.
After you get let go, lick me up, you won't come beat me up. You're not being beat up today, I won't.
Hey, Precious.
Let's try it, boy.
So a gang, the two wanna walk come gang me up here, so? Eh?
You don't want to try it. Come out of my house, boy. Come out.
Come out of the house, you know.
You feel like them black spaghetti.
Now go for my gun and I come shoot you. I'm not shoot, Prince.
You shouldn't run, you shouldn't run. And then they all crop that you're going to pick up. Late.
Why him there?
You run.
What do you mean he run?
You running lucky.
Hey, a murder will come up, I have to come murder him, look come like that, you know. This is what you make them beat you up, man. Sure. Oh, come here. Aye, Precious, look here. I beat you up on a Sunday and Sunday. But Precious. Precious Merkel bite you, man.
know sir, Miracle bite me.
Everybody don't know Miracle big teeth, them. What you gonna make the boy get to? Hey, just when I catch that boy, I go. Sure.